Hello, you're welcome. My name is Henry and you are at HTech-Academy YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. In this video, we're talking about using drawing tools. Microsoft Word provides us with a drawing interface which helps us to draw objects, shape, text using the freehand sketching tool. To access the drawing tool property, we go right into the draw tab in the home ribbon. So over at the home ribbon, our draw tab is not found at our home ribbon. So to add the draw tab, we right click on any of the tab and we click on customize ribbon. For this time, go over to the main tab over here and we click on the draw tab, then we click on OK. As you can see, our draw tab is being added. So to use the draw tools, we click on the draw tab. This opens up the draw panel with very few command groups. Over here, we have the draw tools, we have the convert tools, and we have the insert and the replay. We'll be throwing some light on some of these two options we have here. Now, the first tool we have here is the select tool, which is used for selecting an object. We also have another type of selection, which is simply used to select an object by simply drawing a shape around it. We have the eraser tool, which is used to erase drawn objects. We have the black pen tool. Also, we have the red pen tool, which are used for sketching. And lastly, at the drawing tool, we have the highlight tool, which highlights yellow as a custom color. Just after the drawing tool command group, we have the convert command group. You can see the first option we have here is converting ink to shape. So this over here helps us to convert our drawn object to shape. We have the ink to mass. We also have the drawing canvas. The drawing canvas simply is the space or the area that contains our drawing. So before I will be drawing any of the drawing tool, I will first insert my drawing canvas. So I will select it. This time a box is being inserted on my document. So now I will select my black pen tool. Notice when I select it, I get this drop down over here. I will click on it. I have properties of which I could change. I have the thickness. I could increase, I could decrease, I could change the color to whatever color I want, but I will leave this as black. So now I will go into my canvas and I will draw using the freehand sketch by holding my mouse, and I will draw freely. Okay, pen. So I will select the other option, which is the red pen. This time I will select it. I will draw. I will draw. Now I have my pen drawn with the red pen tool. I can also click on it to change the color. Let's say this time I want to make it dark blue. Now come over here. Okay, now write alphabet A on my canvas. So I can click and change the thickness. Maybe I want the thickness to be thinner, and I want to choose the color pink. So now I'll come over here and I will draw alphabet B. Notice it now looks more like a pencil. Okay, so I could play with any of the options I have here. The next is the highlights. So when I click on the highlights, this allows me to add highlights colors to my text. So on selecting, I can click and highlight my text. I can click back on it to change the color, maybe green, go back, then highlight my red pen. I can also click on it and increase the thickness. Change the color to, let's say, red. Okay, and this time I will highlight my text as red. Now, after highlighting, I also have the eraser tool, as I likely said, which is used to erase unwanted objects. So I'll select the eraser tool. This time I'll select my B object and notice how it gets erased. So I'll delete all unwanted objects. Now notice I get the layers option. Sorry, I was supposed to do this before now. So at the list layer option helps me place my text box. So I will go with the top and bottom. So with this option selected, I'll click cancel. Now I can easily, so this option selected, I'll click on cancel. Now I can easily move my object. Now after the drawing tools, I have my convert command group. Now this simply converts our drawn object to a shape. I'll select the ink tool shape command. So this time I'll select a black pen. Then I will draw, I will illustrate a square. Once I release, notice my object immediately turns to a shape. So I'll do the same for the circle. Make sure it touches its corner. Notice I get a elliptical tool. So I'll try for the circle. Okay, notice I get my circle. I will draw from my rectangle. It automatically changes, converts my shape, my object to a shape, maybe a rectangle. Lastly, my rectangle is being added. Now to select this converted object, so I'll click on the select icon over here so as to select my object. I can also insert text on my object. Now I will click on my select option and I will select any of the shape of my choice, maybe a square. Now notice once the object is being selected, the shape format that pops up over here, which allows me to apply some effect to my shape. I'll just be inserting some text. So I'll write square. Notice my square is too small, so I can't see what I'm drawing. So to be able to resolve that, I'll have to resize it. So I'll click over here and I'll drag it. After dragging, I'll select the layers option. And I'll select the top and bottom. So you can choose any layout option of your choice. You can choose the tight, you can choose the tight, you can choose the true, whatever layout option that suits or works for you. So I'll go with the layouts. Now after selecting my layout option, I'll go over to my shape style and I'll choose my shape field as black. I can insert my text as a square. Alright, and I'll just click out. So my text has been added to my square object. We've come to the end of this video. Thanks for your time and participation. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Watch out for the next episode. Thank you and have a lovely day.